Welcome back to the channel, or welcome to the channel. I'm so glad you're here. Tonight, under the watchful eyes of the seasoned spirits, we're stepping into a ritual that blends ancient magic with modern manifestation. We're going to manifest money using the sacred light of a jack-o'-lantern. Now, this is more than decoration. This is a beacon, a symbol of protection, transformation, and prosperity. Okay, let's get started by cleansing your space. Now, this moment is sacred. You're not just carving a pumpkin, you're opening a channel to abundance. So let's set this intention, okay? I release fear, scarcity, and all energy not aligned with wealth. I now invite in prosperity, ease, and divine flow. Great, it's time to pick your pumpkin. Now, this pumpkin is your vessel, so choose one that calls to you. It doesn't need to be perfect, only yours. And let's go ahead and set an intention for your pumpkin. Something like, I awaken this magical pumpkin to hold the frequency of abundance. May it glow with light, intention, and aligned wealth. Great, now it's time to carve your pumpkin. As you carve, please be present. Let each cut become a spell, each curve a portal. You can carve a face, a ruin, or a symbol that speaks to you. Maybe a dollar sign, a spiral, a leaf, or even a smiling face to welcome joyful wealth. So let's go ahead and set another intention. Something like, with this symbol, I call forth prosperity. I am open to receive. Now it's time to light your candle. This is your abundance flame. Pick a color that resonates with you. Green for money, gold for divine support, white for pure intention. So let's say this. With this light, I call in aligned wealth. As this flame burns, so does my prosperity awaken. Now it's time to write your money intention. So be specific, be open, and be grateful in advance. You may come up with something like, may I receive $3,000 in new income from aligned and joyful resources. I welcome it with gratitude and grace, something like that. And then fold it 3 times to represent the mind, body, and spirit, and place it beneath or inside or next to your jack-o'-lantern, somewhere where you can see it. So for the next 7 nights or until Halloween, return to your jack-o'-lantern. Light it, sit with it, visualize money flowing easily to you. See it, feel it, know it's already yours. And set another intention like, abundance flows to me, wealth surrounds me, I am open to receive. Now, this is more than magic, it's alignment. You are not chasing money, you're becoming the magnet. All right, so if this video called to your soul, be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with a friend. So until next time, stay magical and may the wealth flow to you.